Alright everyone, I'm going to make this video so quick. I'm going to show you my most likely scenario for BTC, how this wave structure right here is playing out, where we're headed to, in my opinion. I'm going to give you two other scenarios that I am looking at just in case, and how I am going to be playing this wave structure. So stick with me. If you resonate with it, great. If not, hey, do your own thing, man. From my last video, we were short on BTC from up here, took profit here, wanted to see it come down here, it did not, ended up closing out the short right here in profits on live stream for premium members during FOMC, and just been scalping, took a nice little short today, actually flipped long, currently sitting in a long position. I'll show you where I'm taking this up to on the smaller time frames, but I'll show you the big picture, what I'm looking at now with this price action. Let's get into it, guys. If you're new to Elliott, or if you still are confused on what the heck is going on with these Elliott waves, there's a free boot camp right here. You will learn Elliott wave in the boot camp. You'll get an overview of how I trade. Now, it's one thing learning the fundamentals and the foundations. To really learn this stuff, you got to see how it's implemented. Check out the premium Discord right here. Click upgrade here. You got a 4-day free trial. No excuses. Go check it out. And I did put this long in there. I put a short in there today that hit. So, you know, my trades are all in the premium Discord. Really see how it's implemented. We do live streams, all that good stuff. That's all I'm going to say about that. Now, my main scenario, I'm going to go over in one moment. I know there's a lot of people that are very bullish. A lot of people are saying 120, 115. And, you know, I get it, guys. I get it. You know, but this little move, you know, I see liquidity up here for sure. I see liquidity down here for sure. You know, in my opinion, if we break this high here, I will simply be looking for this being an ABC, and we could hit those higher targets for sure. It will be very extended to me, but we may have, you know, a finished ABC here, and that's it. You know, either way, I'm looking at this as a finished ABC. I'll tell you that right now. Let me just change the color so it's easier to see. I'm looking at this as a finished ABC. This is an impulse correction. We're looking for another impulse to the upside maybe, right? But I'm going to show you the variation here in one moment that I am currently playing. Again, you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. I understand you're very bullish, and that's great. But in this scenario that I just mapped out for you, I'd be looking for, you know, wow, I pulled that perfect. Exactly 120 is the 1-to-1 fib for a corrective wave to the upside here. We very well might be in the middle of that. Zooming out real quick. Overall, I do see a corrective wave coming to the upside for my main scenario, but I just don't think it is coming right now. I think this is going to extend out a little further and down a little further, and then we get that corrective wave. Okay, that's the only difference between my main and this one. And I'll go over, you know, where I'm seeing this wave turn around and all the specifics of that in 1 second. I just want to get this mapped out. Now, you know, if this wants to keep pushing higher and give us a true impulse wave, that's what we're looking at. Targets of 150K easy, guys. 150 to finish out this wave. After that, I mean, get the hell out, in my opinion. We're going to be coming down in some serious way. But as of right now, I'm just looking, if we break the high, if we bust through the high and start hitting up here, I will be looking at 120, yes. I personally don't think we're about to break the high yet, but it's neither here nor there. And then essentially we have a correction down, correction up that broke the high. Let's impulse down like this, take this lower liquidity, and then we can give our final wave to the upside like so. Right? This is the structure I'm really looking at overall. This will take us down to the 1618 box right here. And you know, this structure, there's going to be variations of it. This structure still remains the same. Some type of a flat correction right here. And then we go hit the highs, and alts can run a little bit as well right there. So the variation that I'm currently playing, I am going to be playing the variation, which is, you know, we got our ABC right here, ABC. Looking at another ABC coming up, which I believe we are in the wave 4 of, going to come up for 5. We could be coming up for 5 right now, and that's why I'm currently sitting long. I'm going to start it off as a scalp. Take profit, and then we'll see where we're at. There's just so much liquidity up here, guys. There really is. Don't get me wrong, on the smaller time frames there's some liquidity down here, But overall, I'm looking at this being an A, B, C. It's, you know, this B wave is just atrocious to me. This A wave even is atrocious to me. It genuinely is. It could, you know, I don't even like calling it a WXY, honestly. So it would have to be an ABC. And pulling fibs, you know, the 1-to-1 is right here, but still that doesn't grab the liquidity that I want it to. But that's a target. Are we going to hold these highs? I really doubt it. I think we're really coming up to these higher fib targets. And I don't know if I see us breaking the high. Maybe a slight break of the high, super swing fail. You know, we'll see when we get up here. There is fib targets up here. But essentially, I want to see this be a finished 1, 2. Looks like we finished 3. We're in the middle of 4, which is what I'm, you know, long for, and I'll probably look short. And then we'll get 5 coming up here, something like that. And that'll be our 5 waves of our ABC. And then we could put in a flat right here, come down and grab this lower liquidity. I know this is a lot, guys. Bear with me. This is well into the future. We take it step by step. Get your asses in the premium Discord so I can just literally walk you through every single day. Every single time I see a good movement on the chart, I'm updating everyone constantly. So it really benefits you to be in there to learn Elliott wave theory. I'm not just saying that, guys. I mean it. I want to help you guys. All right. So we have a correction down, a correction up that comes too close to or breaks the high. Impulse down, and that will be the corrective wave. Then we can push up slightly above to 115, and we could put in this wave. All right, it's just a variation of it. It's the same wave. Instead of coming up here now, we're gonna correct and then come up here later, and then zooming out. It's the same exact structure, guys. Same exact structure. You know, correction down, correction up, impulse down, liquidity sweep this, then we go for our final push. That is what looks good to me. Looking at all of the charts, how they're playing out, that's what feels right to me. Let me check on this, guys. I put so many limit, you know, I'm playing the scalps. I think one of my limits already got hit. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yes, it did. Like, these are all my TPs. I'm just ripping TPs all the way up, just taking this nice little profits. I'm in a 7 BTC position, so it's kind of big, but you know, it is what it is. Playing it safe. Hopefully I'll be able to throw stop loss at break even soon, and we get a push up out of here. If not, I'm cool. We're good. All right. This is Blowfin, guys. If you want to trade on Blowfin, currently I have the best promotion available for them right now. The link's pinned in the first comment down below. Check it out. But it'll give you this deposit bonus depending on how much you throw in, and then you get an additional trading volume bonus depending on how much you trade. Both of these are attainable. Each tier of these bonuses are attainable. So go get the free money, guys. Click the link pinned in the first comment down below. Sign up for Blowfin. They're no KYC. They're the best exchange out right now. Also, we trade on BitUnix. BitUnix is no KYC. You get a 20% deposit bonus on that and 15% off fees with their VIP too. So check out those links pinned in the first comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Hopefully we get some action. Put a comment down below if you're shocked that I'm in a long position. I know it's crazy, right? All right. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Bye.